Hi, in front of me is Vivax X503 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. After that, download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Settings and adjust this wallpaper however you want. When you're done, go back, choose Open, tap on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!